Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the story zoom problem on Instagram. If you're unable to zoom in or out when creating stories, follow these steps to solve the issue. First, open your phone's default camera app and test the zoom function. If zoom isn't working there either, the issue could be your phone's camera hardware, not Instagram. Next, check Instagram's camera permissions. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, Apps again, find Instagram, Permissions, and ensure that it has camera access. Without these permissions, Instagram may not be able to use your phone's camera properly. Step 3. Clear cache or reinstall Instagram. If you're using an Android device, go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, find Instagram, Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. If you're on an iPhone, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it from the App Store. This often resolves temporary bugs like the zoom problem. The next step is to update Instagram. Make sure you have the latest version of Instagram by checking for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Sometimes, bugs like these are fixed in newer updates. If zoom works on one camera but not the other, try switching between the front and back cameras by tapping the camera flip icon in the story mode. This can sometimes fix the zoom issue. Finally, go back to Instagram. Open the story feature and try zooming in by pinching the screen. It should work properly now. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the story zoom problem on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!